Namaskaram, welcome to Vidya Retreat. Welcome to Pyramid Healing course. In this video, we will be talking about Egyptian pyramid. Pyramids are one of the 7 wonders of the world. Egypt is very famous for its pyramid and their mysteries. The Egyptians have preserved their tradition, which has been a great help and guidance to today's generation. Their scripture, jewelry, mummies, language, and painting on tombs and temples have always shown their high skill of engineering and architecture. Egyptians are considered to be the most religious people of the world. They built tombs and temples after death of their relatives and dear ones because they believed that death is not the end of life. They believe that after some years the dead ones will revive and will be very happy to see the temples and tombs they have built for them. This was the sole reason for making of pyramid. It is wrong to conclude that pyramid is mere a burial tomb of dead persons. Instead, this was a practice in which all the things, food, jewelries, and the whole dwelling place of concerned dead person was buried and was turned into a pyramid. They did it to worship their gods, goddesses, and pharaohs, kings, by building pyramids to preserve their dead bodies. In ancient Egypt, each city had its own separate god and goddesses, and they were generally worshipped in the form of some animal. Pyramids, which have been accepted by all of us as a model of fine architecture, is made along Nile River towards the south direction around 96 kilometers. They were built in the middle of Pyramid era around 3000 to 2500 BC years ago. Later on, researchers made it clear that pyramids were not only found in Egypt but also in many other parts of the world. Some writers say that pyramids were actually built by the contribution of ancient Indian archaeologists and intellectuals, because they say knowledge of pyramids has reached Egypt country from India. In answer to the question that why pyramids were not built in India, then they say that Indian environment and atmosphere was already cool and calm and was fit for meditation, so need for making such pyramid was not felt. Secondly, they say that India was occupied with deep forest, so it was not possible to cut all this forest and make pyramids in their place. In spite of all this, great Egyptians, pyramids are considered to be the perfect creations of ancient Egyptians, and that's why they are world famous. These pyramids have been planned with mathematical and geometrical accuracy. They do not lack anything as many pyramids at other places. Do pyramids have found at many other places of the world like valleys of the Himalayas, Southern America, China, Siberia, Middle America, Cambodia, Africa, France, England, and USA. There are about 30 pyramids of different size in Egypt, excluding the Great Pyramid. The greatest of them is the Pyramid of Giza.